Do you spend time with your family? Think about it for one moment. When did you last sit and talk with someone you love? Hello, and welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. I am so happy you are here today. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free and it helps you learn English every day. Now, take a deep breath, relax, and let's talk about a simple and beautiful habit. Spend time with family. What does spend time with family mean? It is easy. It means you are with the people you love. Your family can be your mother, your father, your children, your brother, your sister, or a good friend who feels like family. When you spend time with them, you sit close, you talk, and you listen. You are together. That is family time. And family time is happy time. Why is this habit so important? Family gives us love. Family makes us feel safe. When you have a hard day, your family can help you feel better. A hug, a smile, or a kind word can change your whole day. We all need this. We are not made to be alone. When you spend time with your family, your heart feels warm and you feel happy. This is very good for you. Now you may think, but Lucas, I am so busy. I have no time. I understand. Life is fast. Work is hard. But listen to this. You do not need many hours. You only need a little time with a full heart. 10 minutes is enough to start. 10 minutes of real talk is better than 3 hours on your phone. Small moments make a strong family. Let me give you some easy examples. You can eat dinner together. Sit at the table, turn off the TV, and talk. You can ask, "How was your day?" You can take a short walk after dinner. You can play a small game. You can cook together in the kitchen. You can look at old family photos and laugh. These things are simple. They are free, but they are big for your heart. Here is one more idea, and it is my favorite. Just talk and listen. Ask your family easy questions. How do you feel today? What made you smile today? Do you need help with anything? Then listen with a kind heart. Do not look at your phone. Look at their eyes. When people feel heard, they feel loved. This is a gift you can give every day, and it costs nothing. Let's practice some easy words together. Say them with me. Family, love, home, together, happy. These are simple, warm words. Say them again. Family, love, home, together, happy. Good. Now try a full sentence. I love my family. Say it out loud. I love my family. One more time with a smile. I love my family. Now, how can you start this good habit today? Start small. Choose one time each day for your family. Maybe it is dinner time. Maybe it is before bed. Say to your family, let's spend some time together. Put your phone in another room. Give them your full attention, even for 10 minutes. Do this every day and it becomes a habit. A happy habit for your whole family. I also want to say this. When you spend time with family, be there with your whole heart. Do not think about work. Do not think about tomorrow. Just be here, now, with the people in front of you. Time goes fast. Children grow up. Parents get old. So enjoy these small moments today. One day, they will be your most beautiful memories. Now let me tie this to something close to my heart: learning English. You can learn English with your family. It is fun and it is easy. Watch a short English video together on the sofa. Say new words out loud with your children or your friends. Teach them one word you learned today. When you learn together, you help each other and you do not feel alone. Family time and English time can be the same happy time. So remember this, my friend. Learning English is a little like family. You do it a little every day. You do it with love. You do it with patience. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to show up again and again. 10 minutes of English every day, like 10 minutes with family, will grow into something big and beautiful over time. Let's remember everything we learned today. Spend time with family. It means being with the people you love. It is important because family gives us love, safety, and happy hearts. You do not need many hours, only a little time with a full heart. You can eat together, walk together, talk, and listen. Start small. Put your phone away and be there fully, and you can even learn English with your family too. Now, before you go, here is a small gift for next time. In our next episode, we will talk about a lovely little habit. Write in a small notebook. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you always learn with us. Thank you for spending your time with me today. This is Lucas from the English Flow Podcast. Go and hug your family.